How to enable or disable GBoard suggest contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on GBoard settings. Then scroll down, and in here we tap on corrections and suggestions. From here, scroll down and tap on suggest contacts, and then tap on allow so that GBoard can access your contacts application. Here's the access information from contacts for suggestions. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.